Place of establishment. 1. Introduction and purpose. Article 32 addresses the concept of place of residence for both suppliers and recipients of services under the VAT system. Determining the correct place of residence is important because it helps decide which country's VAT laws apply to the transaction. This article applies to suppliers of goods or services, recipients of services. 2. Defining place of establishment. A place of establishment refers to the primary location where a person, whether an individual or business, carries out its business operations. This is generally the place where important management decisions are made, core business functions are performed, key operational and administrative processes take place. This is often the head office or the main registered location of the business. 3. Defining fixed establishment. A fixed establishment is any branch, office, factory, workshop, or other fixed location that is not the main place of establishment, has sufficient human and technical resources to enable it to provide or receive services. This can include regional offices, warehouse equipped with staff and equipment for ongoing operations, any permanent setup that facilitates regular business activities. 4. Hierarchy of rules for determining place of residence. Rule 1. When there is only one place of establishment or fixed establishment. If a person, supplier or recipient has only one place of establishment or only one fixed establishment, and does not have any other such establishment in another country, then the place of residence shall be the country where this sole establishment is located. Example: a UAE company with its only office in Dubai, its place of residence is the UAE. Rule 2. When there are multiple places of establishment or fixed establishments. If a person, supplier or recipient has multiple establishments across different countries, the place of residence is decided based on which establishment is most closely connected to the specific supply in question. This decision considers which establishment was directly involved in negotiating or fulfilling the contract, where key functions related to the supply were carried out, which establishment incurred the costs or expenses associated with the supply. Example: a company has offices in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. If the UAE office negotiated and delivered the service, then the UAE is considered the place of residence for that supply. Rule 3. When there is no place of establishment or fixed establishment. If a person, supplier or recipient does not have any place of establishment or any fixed establishment in any country, then the place of residence will be the country where the person's usual residence is located. For individuals, this usually means the country where they ordinarily live, have their permanent home, hold primary residence status. Example: a freelance consultant who works remotely without any formal office or fixed location, but who lives permanently in the UAE, will have their place of residence in the UAE. 5. Importance of determining place of residence correctly. Determining the correct place of residence is essential because it defines which country's VAT rules apply. It helps determine whether local VAT, reverse charge, or no VAT applies. It ensures businesses comply with the right tax obligations in the correct jurisdiction. It prevents double taxation or tax avoidance. 6. Compliance reminder for businesses. Businesses operating across multiple countries should maintain clear records identifying the role of each establishment in different transactions. Define internal policies to correctly attribute supplies to the right establishment. Regularly review their operations to ensure VAT compliance for cross-border transactions. 7. Example case studies. Case 1. Single office in the UAE. A consultancy firm with only one office in Abu Dhabi. All supplies come from this office. The place of residence for all transactions is the UAE. Case 2. Regional operations in multiple countries. A logistics company has head office in Dubai. Branch in Oman handling deliveries in Oman. For supplies made from the Oman branch, the place of residence would be Oman, even if the main office is in Dubai. Case 3. Freelancer without fixed office. A software developer works remotely, with no fixed office. The developer's permanent home and legal residence is in the UAE. The place of residence will be the UAE. For more details, contact us.